What causes HVAC transformers to fail? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning transformers usually fail because of electrical overloads, short circuits, overheating, age, or poor installation. A transformer changes the higher voltage from a home's electrical system into the lower voltage that controls the furnace, air conditioner, or heat pump. The most common cause of failure is a short circuit in a control wire, relay, contactor, thermostat, or another part connected to the transformer. When that happens, the transformer may try to send too much electricity, causing its small internal winding to overheat. A dirty air filter or blocked outdoor unit usually does not directly destroy a transformer, but the extra strain can make other electrical parts work longer and harder. Loose wire connections can also create heat and may damage the transformer over time. Water from a clogged drain, leaking coil, or roof can reach the control compartment and cause a short circuit. One important detail is that replacing only the transformer may not fix the problem, because the original short circuit can burn out the new one almost immediately. Before installing a replacement, a technician should inspect the wiring, test connected components, check the fuse, and confirm that the transformer has the correct voltage and power rating. A common mistake is installing a larger transformer without finding the short circuit, so the better step is to test every low voltage circuit before replacing it. Another misconception is that a blown fuse proves the transformer is bad, but the fuse may be protecting the transformer from a damaged wire or control component, so never bypass it with foil or a larger fuse. People also sometimes connect wires based only on color, even though colors can vary, so turn off power, photograph the original connections, and have a qualified technician verify the wiring and voltage. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.